Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of herbs and infusions, but with a different perspective, the hidden and dangerous side of certain teas. Did you know that some popular infusions can actually be harmful to your health if consumed in excess? That's right. Behind the seemingly pleasant taste and aroma, some teas contain compounds that can damage your liver, kidneys, and even your heart. In this video, I will present to you 10 teas you should avoid at all costs to protect your health and well-being. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more health-related content. And if you know someone who loves tea, share this video to help them make safer choices. Now, without further ado, let's get into our list of dangerous teas. Cavat tea. Let's start with Cavat tea, made from the root of the plant of the same name. This beverage is known for its relaxing properties, but it also has a dark side. The active compounds in Cavat tea, known as cavalactones, can be extremely toxic to the liver when consumed in large amounts. Prolonged consumption of this tea can damage the liver, impair its function, and increase the risk of liver diseases. So, if you already have liver problems or wish to protect your liver health, avoid Cavat tea. Comfort tea. Comfort tea is famous for its supposed medicinal properties, but is also one of the riskiest teas. It contains pyrrolizidine alkaloids, substances known to cause severe liver damage. Besides being toxic, this tea can lead to long-term health complications if consumed regularly. Therefore, it's best to avoid comfort tea to ensure your liver remains safe. Licorice root tea. With its sweet flavor, licorice root tea may seem harmless, but it can have serious adverse effects, especially for those with high blood pressure. Glycyrrhizin, a compound in licorice root, can elevate potassium and sodium levels in the body, raising blood pressure and the risk of cardiovascular problems. If you have hypertension or are sensitive to potassium changes, it's better to skip this tea to protect your heart health. Surprised by some of these teas? This is just the beginning. Stay tuned, because the next section reveals more herbs you should definitely avoid. Ready for part 2? Part 2, next 4 dangerous teas. Great! Let's continue with our list of teas that can harm your health if consumed in excess or continuously. Remember, not every tea is as beneficial as it seems. Some hide real dangers to the body, affecting vital functions such as the liver, kidneys, and heart. So, let's move on to the next tea on the list. Yim Tea. Yim Tea, made from the bark of the yim tree, may sound exotic but is highly risky. It contains imine alkaloids, substances that can cause palpitations and kidney damage. Frequent consumption of this beverage can disrupt heart rhythm, increasing the risk of severe cardiovascular issues such as arrhythmias and kidney failure. To protect both your heart and kidneys, it's best to avoid Yim Tea altogether. Sheepel Tea. Sheepel tea is made from a desert plant known for its anti-inflammatory properties, but it's also one of the most dangerous teas on the list. This is because it contains toxic compounds that can damage both the liver and kidneys, especially when consumed long-term. Drinking this tea regularly can result in severe damage to these vital organs, increasing the risk of liver disease and kidney failure. The best choice is to steer clear of Sheepel tea and opt for safer alternatives. Colonet Tea. Colonet tea is popular for its stimulating effects, as it contains a good dose of caffeine. However, excessive consumption of this tea can cause insomnia, heart palpitations, and sleep disturbances. Additionally, too much caffeine can put a strain on the cardiovascular system, increasing the risk of heart issues. To avoid these adverse effects, limit your intake of Colonet tea and prioritize milder teas that promote better sleep and a stable heart rate. Eder Tea. Eder Tea, once widely used to promote weight loss and boost energy, is one of the most dangerous teas on the list. Due to its high ephedrine content, it has been banned in many countries. Ephedrine is known to raise blood pressure and heart rate, significantly increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. To keep your heart safe and healthy, avoid Eder Tea entirely, as the risks outweigh any potential benefits. Are you surprised by the number of potentially dangerous teas? This only shows how important it is to be informed about what we consume. Ready to discover the last 3 teas you should avoid? We've reached the final part of our list of teas to avoid for your health. We've already covered 7 teas that can cause serious liver, kidney, and heart issues. Now, let's explore the last 3 teas on this list. Pay close attention, as they are also known for their health risks. Pennyroyal tea. Pennyroyal tea is made from a plant traditionally used to relieve pain and promote digestion. However, it is highly toxic in larger doses. When consumed in excess, it can cause liver and kidney damage, as well as symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Pennyroyal's toxicity is so severe that it can lead to liver failure and critical kidney problems. Therefore, it's essential to avoid pennyroyal tea completely to prevent these serious complications and ensure your safety. Rhubarb tea. Rhubarb tea, made from the stems and leaves of the plant, is often consumed for its laxative effects. However, it contains oxalic acid, a substance that can contribute to kidney stone formation. Prolonged consumption of this tea can not only increase the risk of kidney stones, but also worsen existing kidney conditions. If you've had kidney problems in the past or wish to avoid future complications, it's best to avoid rhubarb tea altogether. Sassafras tea. Last, but certainly not least, is sassafras tea. Although it is popular in some cultures, sassafras contains safrole, a compound that can cause liver damage and is associated with cancer development. Studies have shown that prolonged consumption of sassafras tea can lead to severe liver toxicity and increase the risk of liver cancer. To protect your long-term health, it is crucial to avoid sassafras tea and opt for safer options. And there you have it, our list of the 10 most dangerous teas you should avoid. While many of these beverages have medicinal properties in controlled doses, excessive or continuous consumption can lead to serious health complications. Remember, moderation is always key, and it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before adding any new tea to your routine. Thank you for joining me as we explored the potential risks of certain teas. While herbal teas are often celebrated for their benefits, it's clear that some can be harmful if consumed excessively. Always remember that moderation is key, and it's important to research and consult a healthcare professional before adding new teas to your routine. Thank you for joining me as we explored the potential risks of certain teas. While herbal teas are often celebrated for their benefits, it's clear that some can be harmful if consumed excessively. Always remember that moderation is key, and it's important to research and consult a healthcare professional before adding new teas to your routine. Safer alternatives do exist, so consider options like chamomile or green tea for relaxation, or peppermint tea for a gentle digestive boost. Your health is your greatest asset, and making informed choices is a crucial part of maintaining it. By understanding the potential risks, you can better protect yourself and your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on health and wellness. Also, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any personal experiences with teas that you'd like to share. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay informed, and always choose wisely.